Yeah, yeah. I kind of put a I put a new pair of I put a new inner tube in the back. It's straight, but it's just I have to like you call it. I need some help with like this. Then it starts and everything. It starts. Then I need a new carb clean, whatever that thing is, the cable. Cause the one I had, it was kind of like it was really bad, so I had took it off. And then I think it's low on oil. I don't know. It is. Guess not. I think if you could see that down there, yeah, it's low on oil on there. Well, I kind of need a little help. I might need some help with this. Yeah. I had bought it from a friend. Nice price, everything, but it's just to fix these parts on here. It's just a problem. And then to take these things off and everything. And then the front now, I need to find a new tire and an inner tube because right now it got paint on here. I don't like this. It's kind of ridiculous. Yeah. All here. And I gotta put all type of new stuff in there. And in there. Yeah. I gotta clean in there. A new spray down there. We call it the choke. And everything. There's a spring bracket, plastic thing here. It's good. The 125. I'm just trying to fix it right now. So you saw that dog food. I got dogs at the house too. Yeah, but I really trying to fix this though. And I could tell it runs fine because it got 2 exhausts on there though. It's nice. It's just I need to buy a couple parts for it. If I could get this thing up and running, I probably. Oh yeah, and it got a clutch too. It's clutched. It got a clutch on there. Got a clutch on there, and it's on 4-stroke. So tell me how this video is and just hit me up. Peace.